Hi friends. First of all, I will introduce myself. This is Supriya, second DLED EM, Gout Diet College, Khammam. Today we will discuss an interesting topic description on flowers. Flowers are one of the most beautiful gifts given to us by the nature. The beautiful fragrance that flowers gives out gives a sense of freshness and peace to the mind. Certain types of flowers are used to worship gods and goddesses. Now we discuss about some flowers. Rose. Rose is my favorite flower. It is found in many colors like red, yellow, pink, white, etc. Red rose is most popular and loved by everyone. Rose is the king of flowers. Its petals are very beautiful. There are thorns in the roses. Bouquets are made from roses. Roses also used in garlands. Roses also makes rose water and perfumes. Our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved red roses. He used to stitch fresh rose flowers every day in his sherwani. I love the rose flower very much. Jasmine flowers. Jasmine flowers blooms a lot. In result it makes a garden look pretty. Jasmine flowers are white. They strongly and sweetly scented. Women especially wear jasmine flowers in their hair. Jasmine flowers are well known for their smell. So jasmine flowers also I like very much. The golden beauty of garden is Kanakambaram. Kanakambaram flower is also known as firecracker flower for the reason that the seeds of this plant explodes onto the ground and creates new seedlings. This plant grows up to a height of 1 meter. Firecracker plant have attractive colors of the flowers. The flowers are normally found in varieties of yellow, orange and red, but white and purple varieties also found nowadays. But the flowers are not fragrant like jasmine flower. This flower is noted for its attractive colors. It blooms all year around and its flowers are used for adorning hair and for rituals in temples. Chamanti. Its scientific name is chrysanthemum. Many have simple aromatic leaves that alternate a long stem. Some have both disky and ray flowers in the heads. It looks like attractive. Many colors are there in chrysanthemum. Mandara. Mandara scientific name is hibiscus. A flower of bright color. It grows mostly in the tropics, but some species grow in cool climates. Hibiscus comes in many colors like white, pink, red, purple and yellow. It is most commonly known as the shoe flower because the flowers were traditionally used to polish. The juice from the petals is used in China as shoe blacking. Because of the reason we are also called shoe flower. These flowers are large with 5 or more petals. Marigold. Marigold are an annual flowers. These leaves are pale green leaves and golden yellow flowers. If we press the leaves with our fingers, they produce pungent smell. Sunflowers is rough hair system, rough leaves. The attractive heads of flowers. The stem of the flowers can grow up to 3 meters tall with a flower head that can be 30 centimeters wide. To grow well, sunflowers needs full sunshine. This crop for its useful to edible oils. Lotus. Lotus plants are grow in slow moving rivers and delta areas. This plant's roots are latched in the mud. It submerges every night into river water and miraculously reblooms the next morning with its daily process of life and death. The lotus flower blooms most beautifully from the deepest and thickest mud. Lotus flower holds such symbolism. For Egyptians, the flower represents the universe. In Hindu culture, it is said that gods and goddesses sat on the flower. Night blooming jasmine, Sannajaji flowers, is applied named because its tubular flowers blooms at night. The flowers close during the daytime. It is also known as the nightshade flowers. It is also known for scented plant in the world. When in blooms, the flowers release a scent of sweet perfume. Sannajaji night blooming jasmines are flower up 4 times per year. Gorinta puvulu, Balsamina flowers. These flowers look very attractive. Colors also available. These flowers are used to make in Batkama festival. These plant leaves are used for snake bite and also burn places on our body, and also Ayurvedic and medicinal uses. These flowers needs light to germinate. So finally we completed successfully description on flowers. Thank you friends giving me this golden opportunity.